Hi guys, a few months ago I bought this FPV camera, Wi-Fi camera, C4018 made by MJX, because actually it was attached to the quadcopter I've used to upgrade the motors of my rocket drone. Please feel free to take a look at my previous videos on my YouTube channel. And I was looking for something very cheap and at the same time capable of show me in real time actually the footage that I was taking, and therefore I decided to purchase this camera and paying just £12.99. So let's see what there is inside the box. Inside the box you will find the instructions, the camera itself, and an USB pen that allow basically to read all the data and footage actually captured by the camera itself. The camera comes as well with a mini SD card, is already installed on it, and let's see how it works. First you have to download the app MJX on your smartphone. After that you have to connect the camera via Wi-Fi to your smartphone. After being sure that your app, your smartphone is connected via Wi-Fi to the camera, just basically click on the app, and you can see straight away in real time the view from the camera itself. If you want to record the footage, you just need to press the camera button on your smartphone. You're going to record straight away the movie on your SD camera and on your smartphone as well. When you finish, you're going to press again. If you like to take a picture instead, you just press the camera button and you're going to take a picture, and you can take as many pictures as you want. The only downside of this camera is that unfortunately there is no microphone, and therefore you can't actually record the sounds from it, which is you know, pretty annoying. As I mentioned before, you will have on your smartphone all the pictures that you've taken, and of course the video itself. I believe that for £12.99 currently is on sale on eBay at £9.99. It's not that bad. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned because other crazy projects are coming soon on my YouTube channel. See you!